Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save jobs on JobStreet, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and if you like one of these jobs you can save them. If you click on that save icon near the name of the job like this, and after that you can check them later. Sorry, if you go to the bottom of the screen, the third icon is saved jobs, and here will be shown all your saved jobs, which is really great because if you are on the go and you cannot read all the information about the job, but the first impression was okay and maybe you would like to apply for it, then you can save those jobs here, and when you have time you can read all the information about the jobs later on. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.